Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This video we are going to learn 4 seasons, how to say 4 seasons in Chinese. Okay, let's start from spring, 春. The first picture, pinky, blossom, 春, 吃, wen, 春. Okay, how to write it? So this time I'm going to write the whole word, the whole character. Just look at the order of the stroke. So you can pause and stop. If I'm writing too quick, you feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 strokes. I finished writing 春. So you can check the order of the stroke over here as I write. In Chinese, we like to say 春天. You have learned 天 in the previous video, which means sky. 春天. So 2 Chinese characters, it means spring. So instead of one word, we like to say 春天. But if you say 春, I can understand, but that's just not the habit of speaking in Chinese. Okay, and then we go to the next one. Oh, look at the beach girl. So obviously, that is summer. 夏, 西, 一, 二, 夏. So probably you notice this letter, this pinyin, pronounced as 西, 西, 一, 二, 夏. 夏. How to write it? I'll write down here. Again, you can check the order of the stroke down below. 2, 3, 4, oh, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pay attention inside. There are 2 strokes like that. Alright, I lost the count. So I'll write again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 strokes, I finished 夏. So we would say 夏天, summer. Okay. 春夏. Next one, 秋, 七, 幽, 秋. So again, this pronounced as 七 rather than k in Chinese, and this is 幽, 七幽秋, 秋. Okay. Let's check how to write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have learned this character before. 禾 means crop. And then on the right side, does this look familiar to you? If you follow every piece of my video, 火. So this side is 火, means fire. 秋 together, when they new combination, that means something else. Autumn, 秋. So obviously we have 秋天, autumn. And then the last one, 冬, de, ong, 冬. Okay, 冬. How to write it? Relatively easier than others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strokes. And then we have 冬天, winter. So if we have face-to-face or online interaction classroom, I would ask you, which season were you born with? Were you born in? Answer that in Chinese. So as a practice, it's a repetition help you to remember how to say and how to write those characters. And we have phrases. In China, we always say 4 seasons. 春夏秋冬. Do you feel it? It's kind of a rhyme. Sounds like a poem. So we like to say that 春夏秋冬, 4 seasons. And so last time we have already learned 天, sky. So this time we learn 地, which means ground, earth, soil, you name it. 地, how to write it? I'll write it down here. 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, 7. On the left bit, does it remind you? 土. So it helps you to memorize in the logic. On the left side, it has something to do with the ground. That is the soil. 土. 特无土. You learned it in the previous videos. And then we can say 大地, which means like Mother Nature, the background. And we also can say 土地. Okay? Which literally means earth. From what we have learned, we can also make another new phrase. For example, where do I write it? I write down here. 冬去春来. 冬去春来. You have learned 去, you have learned 来. 冬去春来 obviously it means when the winter leaves, the spring comes, which like give us a hope. What other phrases you can make from what you have learned? Leave it down below in the comment section. And see you next video. Bye.